chill it up, the topic of the curtain, please. Curtain, please. I decided to go up like Major League. She just popped the Perkins just like Poker Beans. She just popped the Perkins, said I heard her.
We about to get down into this topic. Ooh, I got some stuff I want to tell you. Unbelievable stuff I want to tell you about I am, how to use I am. Right now, where you at right now, I'm going to tell you how to use I am like nobody ever tell you before. Okay? Trust me.
Take away back, Lil John energy. Pockets real fat, cash real
turn up, turn up.
Fire the blunt, it done died off, yeah. Ride off,
Alright.
Yo, boss.
Turn my music down a little bit. Now, what I'm about to do, I'm about to tell you how to use I am. Yeah, I am, the affirmation. I am, putting I am in front of any type of phrase that you want to be. Anything that you want to be, folks. That's the most powerfulest thing ever. See, the problem with most people in our society, and the reason why you're going to be a step ahead of them, is simply because, folks, most people are just not confident. Most people just scared. Most people just scared. They don't know what they want. They don't know who they want to be. They don't know where they want to go. When you have conversations with people, they're always talking negative about themselves. They're always talking down on themselves. They always belittling themselves. They're always telling themselves how broke they are, how much in poverty they are. You know, people are always talking down on themselves. You know why? Because they don't know the power of I am. But in the midst of all that, folks, let's just face it. Our friends, our family, everybody they just lack self-love. You know why? Because most of us were taught that if we love ourselves, it's bad. It's bad to love yourself. It's bad to think highly of yourself. Don't think that you're going to be an entrepreneur. Don't think that you're special because I want to take your money. All I want to do is and ching, take your money. Yeah, we were mentally programmed to think about ourselves as people of lack. That's why most of us are not in the financial stability that we need to be in. That's why most of us wonder, like, man, why I don't got money? And you feel like you're supposed to have money. You feel like you're supposed to be like way further than what you are. You know why? Because you were probably mentally programmed. But that's okay, because I'm telling you something so powerful right now that 99.9% of the people that ain't watching this video and the 1% that is, you're going to be above them. Because I'm telling you a secret power of the universe, which is the power of I am who I am. Now, we're going to cut I am who I am out. We're going to cut who I am out. We're just going to keep the I am, folks. If you put, listen. When you talking to people in text messaging, when you talking to people on the phone, when people ask you questions about the things that you want to do for yourself, when people say, who are you? You say, I am this, I am that. Folks, you got, listen. All the things that you dreaming, all the things that you wishing that you really want to be, you got to start speaking it. Y'all got to start speaking it, man. Dreams ain't dreams no more. Wishes ain't wishes no more. Now you in a state of now. It's either now or never. There ain't no more choices, folks. You understand, Rim Team? No more choices. You know what I mean? Too many times, man, we so used to just holding back and not showing people how great we are. Forget that. If you fly, you fly. If you sexy, you sexy. Before I got on this video, I was in the mirror. I was trying to brush my hair and stuff. Like, man, I don't know if that side look better than this side right there. I don't know, man. You know what? My higher self said, Trent, forget it. Man, just get on the camera. I say, yes, you're right, because I am great. I am great. You see how the lower self, the ego part of us human beings always makes us feel lesser than who we truly are? That's because we were taught that. We were taught that by people who never watched a video like this. We were taught that by people who never knew the power of I am. Folks, whatever you place after I am, that's who you become. I am rich. I am wealthy. I am great. I am successful. I am going to do this. When you talking, listen, folks, listen. I'm going to blow your mind. When y'all talking to each other, when you having a conversation with each other or somebody in conversation, folks, stop being like a half-stacked flag, like somebody died. Tell people exactly what you're going to do, exactly where you're going to go, exactly where you're going to be. Say, I am going to do this. I will do this. I am going to do that. I will do this. I will do that. This is confidence in your words, in your sentences. Remember, folks, what you speak into the universe, that shall manifest. So most of the time, people be wondering, Trend, man, 2 o'clock in the morning, I can't manifest this. I can't manifest that. Oh, whoa, I can't do that, Trend. I can't. Listen, what did you say to yourself about what you was going to say into the universe? How did you say it into the universe? Well, I just think, I don't know, God, I just think that if you think that you should give it to me, then you should give it to me. That ain't working. You got to be like God, the creator of the universe, and how he said, let there be light. And then there was light. That's simple. That's simple. Let there be light. And then there was light. That's how it is with us, folks. We are that same spirit. All you got to do is say, let there be this. Let there be that. I am going here. I am going there. I will have this. I will have that. I am going to be rich. See, folks, listen, this is the key to getting rich right here. This is the ultimate secret key to getting rich right here. If you want to be rich, man, if you want to be rich, first of all, you got to delete all self-doubt. You cannot be abundant, wealthy, prosperous, and rich if you continue to hang on to the self-doubt that has been instilled in your mind as to why you can't be rich. So for those of you who want to be rich after this video, you need to go sit somewhere quiet. If you got to go in the bathroom stall, you know what I'm saying? If you got to go in your room, close your door, you got to really sit down and you got to really say, you know what? I am rich and I will be rich. And I know that without a shadow of a doubt. And so I'm giving my whole being to the manifestation that I will be rich. You got to really have a relationship with the feeling of being rich. Like, I mean, when you by yourself and you doing what I'm telling you to do, folks, you got to really give your all to the universe about this is what you want. And you got to drop everything and read. You got to stop, drop, and roll, folks. So you got to really come to a consensus in your being that this is what you want. And I can guarantee you, I know for a fact, because it happens to me every day, manifestations. I know for a fact, if you speak things into existence with conviction, you're gonna get it. See, the problem is, folks, even though we manifested everything in our future with our words right now, the words that you're using right now, as I posted on my Facebook status today, are creating your future for you in the future. People be wondering, like, well, how the future become the future? Your words. You are creating the future that you want to experience in the future with the things that you're saying right now in this present moment. The past is the past. The past is history. We can lock that up and put that in the file cabinet and we ain't got to talk to it no more. But this is all we have right here, right now. And what's going to come. But what's going to come is determined by your tongue. Your tongue creates your future. I am going to do this. I will be doing that. I am going to do this. I am that. I am this. I am do. This is creating experiences. That's what the universe does. That's the only reason why the universe is the universe, folks. Because it's like paradise. It's like paradise. It's so fluid. It's so fluid, folks. The universe just does what we tell it to do. And the magical thing about it, it can do what billions of people tell it to do while looking the same in front of everybody else. That's the power of the universe. Like, even though you look outside, you see a tree, you see snow, you see dirt and rocks, and you see mountains. The funny thing about it is, it can create a different reality from you to this person. Because this person is thinking something totally different from you. It's so weird, but it's magical, folks. We live in a magical paradox of life. So, conviction. You got to continuously say what you know is going to happen, not what you think. A lot of people be killing me. I be hanging with people sometimes. I don't even be saying nothing. Sometimes I just let them sleep. I let them sleep, man. I'll be awakened. I let them sleep. A lot of people be talking around me, man. They be talking in lack. They want something, but it's like they don't want it at the same time. So they talking in lack and self-doubt. Failing to realize that's why they're not going to manifest it. The only way you're going to manifest what you want is when you convict what you want. If you want to move to Los Angeles, California, I will move to Los Angeles, California. I will. You want to move to Austin, Texas, I will. You can't tell your friend, I think, well, you know, when the bills get right, you know, when Danny job, see, Danny thing about Danny job is they just won't let him get no days off. I'm thinking about it, but you know, it's God's will. If it's all in God's will, shit, they don't want to move. They don't want to move. They're gonna stay right there. They're gonna stay right there in that hut. They're gonna stay right there in that tent. They don't want to go nowhere. If you want something, you got to speak it into existence, folks. By conviction, by confirming, I will, I am. This is what's going to happen, Trinities. This is what's going to happen, Trinities. Man, I'm so good at it right now. Look, once upon a time, I was not who I am right now, man. Like, I'm so happy with myself, and I'm proud of myself. You see how I'm talking? Like, I love myself, and I thank myself. Once upon a time, I couldn't even do that. Once upon a time, I'm going to say, Trinities, when people be like, Trinities, you look good, I just be like, nah, I'm not. I don't look good. I am not looking good. But now I'm at a position, it's like I'm accepting the energy that people give me, because the more you accept energies, the more energy you have. The more energy you have about yourself. Accept the good things that people do for you. Listen, whoever taught you that you shouldn't accept compliments and you shouldn't accept all the good things and the good remarks that people say to you, they didn't love themselves. Accept all the goodness that comes to you. It's blessings. Anything that's good comes from above, folks. Accept it. Say, yes, I am a dime. Some of y'all like, I ain't a dime, I'm a dollar bill. You know, yes, I am beautiful. Yes, I am handsome. Yes, I am strong. Some of y'all men out there be lifting weights. Listen, yes, I am strong. Girls be like, y'all, boy, you strong. Ooh, look at them arms on you, boy. Let me feel them muscles. Yes, I am strong. Here, feel the muscles. Feel the muscles. Yes, I am strong. You know, you got to take it in. Take your energy. Take your blessings, blessings, blessings. Fill you up, fill you up. Raise your vibration, raise your vibration, raise your vibration. I am great. One of my favorite affirmations is, I am a king. I am a king. You know why I say I am a king? Not from an egotistical point of view, because like I can rule over everybody else. No, everybody's not my minion. The reason why I say I am a king is because I know kingship is the most highest. From my knowledge, kings are the ones who are on the throne, and they run their whole universe. That means they control everything around them in their universe, in their reality. So if anybody come into your reality or your universe, you mean to tell me you don't run it? You got to run it. Run your universe. Run your universe. See, listen, man, I wish I could speak this into the whole world right now, because everybody would be awakened right now. Everybody would be changing their life. Everybody would be making multi-millions of dollars and everything, folks. Listen, from this point on, and I'm about to end this video right here. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to this different video. I just thought I had to give y'all a different approach today, because it's getting serious. And I know you need me, okay? But from this point on, you have to be so confident in the things that you want that when you say them, you know you're going to do it. You know it's going to happen. You know that's what you want, and you going to get it. So you have to use affirmations like, I am going to do this. I will do this. You know what I'm saying? You got to get in the habit of speaking with conviction. Now, when you speak with conviction, that don't mean you got to be angry and like want to be like perform so much action to get the thing that you want. You don't have to do that. The universe does the rest. It's just determined by how you say it. If you say things and like it's weak as hell, the universe are like, I don't even want to manifest this for them because I don't even think they sure about what they want. Why should I give this to them when they are telling me that if they get it, they're gonna be nervous if they get it? Universe ain't gonna give you something that you scared of. Universe gonna give you something that you want. That you want. The universe gonna give you something that you say you know you want. You gotta have it. You gotta have it. You want the money? You really want the money? Boy, you want the money? Universe gonna give you the money like it's funny. Because you want it. You gotta have it. You can sit in the house all day long and you can have a feeling. You can be talking to the universe. I want money. I want money, universe. I want money. I want begging and begging and begging. I am money. I am money. And I can guarantee you, in due time, that money will begin to flow to you like a wellspring. I can almost guarantee you. I can almost guarantee. See, the problem is a lot of people don't want money bad enough. Because some people think that it's the root of all evil. Some people think that it's not good to have money. Some people think that all the rich people just have money because they got a good college degree and stuff like that. We don't have a lot of things, so we don't deserve a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? Like, some people, like, they got these thoughts they battling with in their lower mind that make them think, like, oh, I'm not supposed to have a whole lot of money. You know what I mean? Because my mama them didn't, my daddy didn't, my grandpa didn't, my mama didn't. If you want money, and you say you want money, I am money. I am a money magnet. Money attracts to me. I am what money flows to. I am money. You see what I'm saying? Folks, I can guarantee you all these things that I'm telling you are true and noble. It all works. I'm a living testimony of it. That's why I'm up here right now telling you about everything, that comes from my mind to your mind, because I'm experiencing this with my own two eyes. I see y'all happening because I'm speaking it into existence, folks. So the power of I am is real. Whatever you attach to I am, that's what you become. Who are you today, right now? You can change your whole life after this message by realizing that whatever you attach to I am, that's what you will get. That's what you become. So thank you so much for tuning in, folks. I'm Trent Sanderson of the Infamous Living Room Network. Such a powerful message. I'm impressed because it was so real and rugged. I'm impressed. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, man. Look, if you want to watch another I am video, I got at least about 3 of them. This is one right here. Click that video and I'll see you on the other side. For those of you who are just now, or those of you who are subscribers and don't want to be just a number, and you want to talk to me one-on-one, make sure you get in contact with me, talk to me one-on-one. Yeah, contact me one-on-one. Go to the comment section and send me an email. I keep telling y'all, send me an email because I'm only getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And soon I probably won't be able to get in contact with you, folks. I'm just keeping it real, all right? So if you want to be on Realm Team, you want me to be your life coach personally, you better sign up right now while my prices is super, super cheap. Because the bigger I get, I ain't going to have no choice but to go up because the demand is going to be high. Okay? So I'm just keeping it real with y'all, man. That's why I be telling y'all to connect with me one-on-one if y'all need help one-on-one advice. All right? So thank y'all so much for tuning in, folks. I'm Trent Sanderson. I'll see y'all in the next video that I'm going to make today. Make sure y'all add me on Facebook, too, because I'm going to make some Facebook videos or live videos today on Facebook, maybe Instagram, too. Make sure y'all stay connected. I'll see y'all in the next video.